In this video, we will learn how to install Netbeans and JDK in Windows 10. So let's begin. So to install Netbeans and JDK on Windows 10, first we need to install Java Jdk to make sure that we are able to install the Netbeans. For installing Java Jdk, just go to your search engine and type in here for Java Jdk 8 download, and here we are. Just go and click on this Java SE Development Kit 8, and here scroll down below and first accept the license agreement. Now you need to download the respective version that is required for you. So I have Windows 64-bit, I would be downloading this one. If you have 64-bit or 32-bit, just go and download the respective version. In case if you don't know what kind of system you have, just go to your start and type in here for this PC, right click it, go to properties, and here again the system type, you can see what kind of system you have. So I have 64-bit, so I would be downloading 64-bit one. So here it would ask you to log in with your Oracle ID. If you haven't created it, just go and click on create account, and it is a simple process. So just go and click on sign in. So in my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would just go to your my downloads. In your case, you need to wait till the download is complete. So here under the programs, I have already downloaded it, so I would be just simply going and installing it, this one. So the process takes a bit of a time. So here it is a simple next process. There is nothing specially to be done. And during this process, it would ask you to install the Java Jre. So it has already that setup. So just go and click on next, and it will be installed automatically. I will be back when the process has completed. Here we have Java Jre. Just go and click on next, and it is being installed automatically. So the process is completed successfully. So before going on to the installation of Netbeans, first we need to add path of Java to make sure that it is correctly installed. So if currently we go to the command prompt and type in here for Java C, as I have already added the path, so it is not giving the error. In your case, you might not have added the path, so you need to add the path. For that, just go to your local disk C, go to program files, here go to Java, now go to JDK 1.8, go to bin, and here we have all the required files. So just go and copy this path. Now go to your start, and here type in for this PC. Here we have this PC, right click it, go to properties, and here click on advanced system settings. Now click on environment variables. Now here search for path, here we have path, click on edit. So you can see I have already added it. So what you need to do is click on new, and here paste the path you have just copied. Click on OK, click on OK, and the path has been added. So if you now type in for the command Java compiler, Java C, it should not give an error. So we have successfully added the path and installed Java JDK on Windows 10. Now we would go and install the Netbeans. So here just go and type in for Netbeans Apache download. The Netbeans Apache is the latest version of Netbeans. So just go and click on this netbeans.apache.org. Here click on download. Now click on download here. Now click on respective version, that is Windows for us. Click on this link, and the download will start. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would go to my download folder. Here go to programs, and here I have Netbeans Apache 11.1. So just go and double click on it. Click on yes. So it is configuring the installer. It is a really easy process. Simply a next process. So here we are. Just go and click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on install. So here we are. it is a long process, so I would be back when the installation of this process has completed. Installation is completed successfully. Just go and click on finish, and if you need to open it, here we have NetBeans Apache, and here Apache NetBeans is being opened. So hope this video has helped you. If you have any issue, just comment down below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.